Kawaii Slime Company slime is absolutely gorgeous. This is the fairy garden. We are going to open it up and give it a squeeze. Is it a squeeze? Is it a stretch? Oops. Well, that wasn't right. So that was on me, but that's okay. We will just pick it up with our slime. Look at these little mushroom toadstools. These are adorable. And guys, I did know better than that, but I was not thinking. Look at how cute. So we do have some little glittery confetti everywhere, but that's okay. Ooh, look at that. There's already some in here. Ooh, this is like a nice icy slime. Oh, that feels good. The first thing we're gonna do is pick up all the mix-ins. Oh, here's another little charm. Oh, those are cute. Look, see? So easy to pick up. We'll just move the slime around. All right, all clean. Oh man, this is such a nice texture and it smells so good. Look how pretty this green is with those mix-ins. Nice stretch too. So this is like an icy slime, which is also very cloud-like when you stretch it. I love that look. You can put the little toadstools in. But this is the fairy garden. Look, it looks like a treetop. Super cute. And then you can just peel it off and squish it together with the mix-ins. And that adds some nice contrast. This is the Fairy Garden Kawaii Slime Company. This is an icy slime. And I'm going to tag it down below. Go pick it up.